Samuel, what are you writing on today? You're on a frog? Is this the face of the frog? And what's William writing on? He's on a horsey. Hi, William. Are you on a horsey? I can't back up because I'm holding on to child. Okay, are we going to get going soon, do you think?
Yeah.
Which way are we going to go?
That way.
That way? And is your frog going to go up and down, do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you going to hold on tight?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you wave hello to Daddy?
Hello, Daddy.
Is it going to go? Here we go. What do you think, William? Hi. You're okay. You're okay. Wow. Yay. 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 Are you having fun?
Who